Previously on the Trinidad girls' trip.
Trinidad!
75.
All my people! All my people! Oh, 360! 360!
Starring Jen, the runner and wine technician, Melly, Soca Sweetheart and Carnival Queen, Shay, Miss Jamaica, you see it, Gabster, the dancer, the runner, the vanisher, Jade, Soca Virgin, came for the food.
Rated C for chaos.
May cause sudden desire to book a flight. May contain chaos, vibes, whining, and rum.
Grocery dates. So many cool foods.
Cheers to the girls' weekend. Oh, the waves.
Y'all, it is so hot. Drink done.
It's done.
Done. I need another one for the way back. We're making your shirts. Fantastic.
I don't want Marcos, whatever his name is.
We made it. We outside. Outside. This is outside. Superwoman.
But the heat was the true villain. But did that stop us?
N-O-O-O-O.
Spider kill.
Everything we ate at. Soca Brainwash. Freezy.
We got noodles. Nachos. Lasagna.
Oxtail Spring Roll. Jamaican Patty LOL.
We're using Gabby's boots. Gum, 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 gum.
Shark Tacos.
Shark tacos.
Taste Test.
Listen, everybody point to the drum.
Bathroom break. When I tell you, the girls are cut up. Shorty's in the bathroom. Drinks full. Full. Delicious. I hope you can hear me, but it's delicious. I want to tell you, everybody looks so freaking pretty and so hot. I'm like, wow. Oh, Malika's back. Party a ton of.
Bomboka!
Guys, Malika ate ants. Malika ate ants.
Extra protein?
Gabby. Malika ate ants.
This how we raise them down south.
There's so many!
They stung my lips.
There's so many! Oh my god, look at the back.
Ew.
Look at the front.
Ew. Ew.
I wanna cry. Oh, but there's at least we have ginger tea.
Oh, at least we have ginger tea. Ginger tea.
Ginger tea.
Period. Ginger tea.
We'll be okay. We'll be fine.
Not
Living.
going out. Going out, going out, going out, going out.
Gabby, ask for a favor.
Going out.
Can you spray my lights again? Because whatever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you. Ice cream. Delicious. What are you eating? Chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice.
Bumba clock! Bumba! Bumba!
No facts. This is monumental information. Yeah. Another day. Melly, how are you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling fresh.
Looking good.
Yeah.
She made all these amazing breakfast. Today has been the hardest day. Woke up today, didn't want to go coughing. Coughing. Wait, but the glow's giving. Because there was so much dust yesterday. Done for. So we're gonna eat some bacon and bread. Canada. Cheers. Doubles. Double taste test. Delicious. Chicken. Chicken. Ooh. Another one. Bubble tea again. Oh. So we need to get ready for 2 a.m. because we're going to Jab Juve for 3:30 a.m. and most of the girls are sleeping. I'm eating chicken wings because I can't sleep, girl. Like, I really can't. If I really want to sleep, I'm gonna be more tired if I, that's because I could sleep for the event. I don't like that. So I'm gonna raw dog the experience and have no sleep. But when I tell you down, these Korean barbecue teriyaki chicken wings, girl, wow, like, wow. And on the boat we had doubles. They were so good. Like, the chicken they put on there, I was like, is that chicken? I was like, girl, what is that? But the chicken was chickening. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, the food here, these box, like, taste so much better and more real and, like, you know. So your girl is gonna be pre-gaming with chicken wings. And I was gonna bring my GoPro, but I'm not confident because like Jab Jab is like motor oil, and then like Duvet is like powdered colors, like that's like thrown on you. Like for example, like it's not the same thing, but like think of like the holiday holly and how they have like the pretty colors and it's thrown and stuff like that. Similar to an extent, but I don't know if I want motor oil and powder on the GoPro. Like I think it should wash off, but like what if it doesn't? I don't know if I want to waste Chip's good money that he paid on those cameras for me. You know, like, guys, it's gonna be like 1 year on YouTube soon. I'm like, wow. Because for Valentine's Day last year, Andrew got me my vlogging camera, a storage, so I have to use a Snapchat camera. For Valentine's Day, he got me the vlogging camera, and then I filmed it for Valentine's Day weekend. However, it took me like a month and some change to post it because y'all know, like if you're here, you know the way me and those anxieties and the way I get in my own way. So you can only tell. So it took me a while to post it, and then I finally posted it because like I was like, F it, let me stop overthinking. So yeah, the 1 year is coming up. Oh my god. I wonder if I'm gonna do anything. But this chicken is chickening so good.
It's almost ready. Jab Jab. Hey, are you ready? Melly? Facts. You guys, I have like, I feel like I look like King Tut. We're doing Juve, Jab Jab. I have to protect your hair. I have to. I want to die. I saw what I looked like. Peanuts. Proud family. POV, we're lost. Lost. But we were in the crowd and I got some paint. But we're trying to find our section. Fingers.
Found our section after 1 hour. Phone got so dirty. I was in awe of the fire guys Lolil. They had a foam party. Got a chicken sandwich. The chicken was not chickening. A time was had. And drinks were drank.
Rip off my tights, dirty girl.
What the fuck is going on? Take off your slippers.
Heavy on what the fuck is going
Heavy
on?
Take it off. Take it off.
Take it off. Take it off. Oh my god. I'm good.
It's giving mermaid.
It is. My body.
Tuesday lunch that they're giving.
It's the morning and we are so legitness. Me and Jan just bathed outside. And bathe outside. Dirty girl. Very Trinidadian.
Real Caribbean woman.
Now I have to go shower because hey.
We ordered pizza for pickup, but they were closed.
Where is the entrance?
Sorrows,
Nowhere to be found.
sorrows.
We want our pizza, but then lock up.
If anything, we just. This pizza looks so good.
Wow.
It's only 11 a.m.
Scrumptious. Tired. But beach
besties are getting ready. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, Gabby.
Breakfast for champions.
I think I lost weight.
On this trip, probably. I mean, how much have you been walking?
Walking too much.
This morning alone, we walked like 30K steps. It's insane.
Oh my god, we did. Oh, guys. Oh. That was this morning?
That was this morning. Or yesterday morning. It was a morning recently. The days are blurred.
The days are blurred. Down.
I know you're allowed to move around and make the thing look good.
Make it look good.
Do you hear how loud it is? Constant partying 24/7. Like it doesn't stop. Every last drop. We're having a chill day today. Alone. So what am I gonna do to have the time of my life? Say hi, buddies.
Don't want no small banana.
Tired out. Hungry.
Shit, banana in the background. Banana.
Burger, fries.
Ooh. Chicken and fries. Leftover you though.
Coffee. Okay, so Trinidadians love sweetness. I said not sweet at all.
Is it very sweet?
It's very sweet.
Is yours sweet?
Yeah.
It's like ice cream.
Yeah. I like that.
Right, it's like ice cream.
For me, it's a little too sweet.
They're on one. Glasses day. The sun is extra hot today. On the last day. Getting our tanning in.
Yeah, but you have the same thing as me.
Back at the beach again. Beach again. Beach again. And we have to be at the airport like 4 a.m. Home time. Boo, tomatoes. Throw them away. Gabriella. Home time. Mood. Mood. Home time. Home time.
Oh, it's gonna be so nice.
Yay! Thank you, Chippy.